Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't been able to continue my project since last time. I think it was 2 months ago. But I did manage to create a case and I will show it to you. So over here we have the control panel. It's still the same. Over here temperature control. Over here the stepper motor for the winder. And over here the speed controller for the wiper motor. So yes, that's the panel in the front. So this is the winder. I connected it internally through that hole back there, and it can stay on this side here. Perfect place. This handle still there, so I can carry it around, but I have to look into that further because I still need some wheels so I can roll it like a trolley or something. Over here in the back I have a switch to control the power, and I also have this wire power connection. So that's the main power connection, and then I can control these ones individually. I can turn it on. So when I turn it on, it lights up, and then we can go to the front. And over here I also changed these switches. They do have these tags now, so on off still works, very smooth. I also printed these panels with my Anycubic, so yes, it looks really good. I screwed them in on each corner, 3 panels, and I can take them off and then look into the inside if there are any problems with the wire connections, or I will do it in just a moment so you can see how it looks on the inside. First, here is the Arduino, so you can turn it on right here, and then this starts to turn, as you can see, and this potentiometer is still for the speed. It can go faster and slower. Works perfectly fine. And over here still the wiper motor. I won't turn it on right now because it's not heated up, and that would cause some problems, as there's still some molten plastic inside of here that is not in the molten state right now. So yes, but you have seen in my other videos how it works. This is just an enclosure, and I wanted to show it to you. Over here the name Filex. So this consists out of Filament Extruder, and the X is just a name for the length of the screw, as it's 10 times the width of the screw. So that's how you measure extruded screws, and that's why I included it into the name. I will now show you the inside. So as you can see, this is the inside. It's very dark right now, but over here is the Arduino and it's quite a mess in there, but everything's connected properly and I know where the problems are if there occur any, and I soldered every connection so it's definitely stable and there's no bad contacts or anything. Yeah, over there, I don't know if you can see, it's a lot of wires. I'll try to make it a little hard to see, but believe me, it's a mess. And yeah, that's the inside. I screwed the panels on using these screw inserts for wood, and what this does is you screw this in, and then in the middle of this screw is a thread for these screws, so you have a threaded insert for the wood, and this helps to be able to reconnect the panels and take them off when multiple times, because if you take it off multiple times and you don't have metal inserts but just wooden inserts, then it happens that it becomes a hole and it's too big for the screw, and you have to make the screws even bigger and bigger every time. So yeah, it was a very wise decision. This complete build is modular. I can take all these screws out and then change the panels if I need to change them in the future, or if there's something, if they're damaged, I can repair it, and yeah, that's very practical. So yeah, so this concludes the video for today. Just a quick update on the filament extruder. I really like it so far. I think it was worth the time I put into it. This week I will be getting my grade for this project, as it was a school project, and I think it will be pretty good. My teacher was really happy, and so am I. Yes, also the contest I will be entering with this is end of February, so still a bit of time, but I don't think I will change anything anymore. Yes, hopefully the next update will be shortly before that, and thanks for watching. See you next time.